Hi friends, this is your boy Mayor. So today we are making mutton biryani. So let's go straight into the video. Guys, so this is 2 pound mutton. What we're gonna do, we're gonna marinate this mutton first. First thing what we need is ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm adding yogurt in there. I added 1 spoon and this is the second one. So for additional flavor, I'm using this seasoning. It's called Mutton Biryani, which gives good taste to it. So now it's time to mix everything up. So this thing is all mixed up. This whole marination, we're gonna leave it at least for 1 hour in the fridge. In the meantime, we're gonna take out some rice and we're gonna soak it into the water. So let's do that. I'll see you guys after 1 hour. So it's been an hour, let's move forward with our process. Alright, so this looks good, it's ready to go. Now we're gonna add whole raw white onion to the oil. So the onions are brownish brown, and now I'm gonna add the meat, the whole marination right here. We're gonna stir fry this at least for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes guys of frying. I'm adding fresh tomatoes to it. Some chopped mint leaves on top. And half a lemon with no skin. Just like that. Some fresh green chilies, whole green chilies. I'm adding some salt to it. So now guys, I'm gonna just steam the meat at least for 20 minutes. It's gonna take 20 minutes, so we're gonna take our soaked rice, put it in pan and water, and we're gonna boil it like halfway cooked. We're gonna half cook the rice. So our rice is right there on the boil, and our meat is in the steamer. It's gonna get there. Dude, relax. Alright, so our rice is halfway cooked. I'm gonna just drain the water from them and I'm gonna put the rice on the side for now. And it's been 20 minutes so far, so let's open. Wow, yummy. It's done and it's tender. On to the final stage. We're gonna take rice, make a bottom layer of rice in the pan. Now we're gonna dress our bottom layer with some meat on top. So all the meat is here. We're gonna make another layer on top of the meat. I'm garnishing it with some cilantro or coriander on top just for the aroma. I'm gonna cover the lid, put it on slow heat. So it's gonna take another 15 minutes and then our final product, mutton biryani, will be ready. So it's been 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 20 minutes. Let's check on our rice. Yep, they are all done. I'm gonna dish this out and show you guys the final product.